Good morning everyone. In the previous video we have discussed about different types of operators like arithmetic, logical, relational operators. Now we are going to start a very interesting topic today, the different type of operators, that is your bitwise shift operators, right? So let us start with the first one. So firstly we should know that what are shift operators. So shift operator mainly perform the manipulation of data bit by bit. इट मीन्स कि हम जो डेटा को चेंज करते हैं, डेटा पे जो ऑपरेशंस परफॉर्म करते हैं, दैट इज़ परफॉर्म्ड ऑन द बाइनरी नंबर. दैट मीन्स वी convert the decimal numbers into its binary form, and after that we manipulate it bit by bit, or we can say that we shift the bits of data either to the left or to the right, depends that what the shift value is given in the question. So according to shift value, actually we are going to shift the number of bits. So here we are going to discuss about the different types of shift operator. So look at here very carefully. So we are having three types of shift operators. First one, this known as right shift. This and this, these are known as right shift, but the difference is what? It is actually unsigned shift. This is unsigned right shift, because see, if arrow is given in this form, so it is right shift. It is, if the arrow is represented in this form, it means it is a left shift. Clear? Now if it is given like this, and one it can be given in this form, right shift, it means it is a right shift but signed right shift. Signed का मतलब होता है it will check for positive number as well as for negative number. ठीक है, but this is a unsigned right shift, means it will not create any difference between the positive number and the negative numbers, right? Now for here, this is signed left shift. This is known as signed left shift. Okay, now next here, look at this, how we are going to use it. If we are using this operator right shift, so we will write in this way, OP1 and OP2, OP1 OP2. Here also we are writing the same thing, just the difference is what? In the operators. We are going to use here three different types of operators. ठीक है, OP1 and OP2 are the operands, and where this OP2 will actually decide the shift value. This will decide the shift value here, and this OP1 will actually the what? Operand on which you are going to perform the shift operation, right? Means जो आपके पास shift operator है उसके जो left side में लिखा हुआ है, that is the operand on which you are going to perform shifting, and this right side of the shift operator represents the shift value, यानी कि कितनी value से आपको shifting करनी है, right में या left में, right? Next, look at here. First one is OP1 right shift OP2 shifts the bits of OP1 right by OP2, यानी कि OP2 से shift करेगा OP1 को, और कैसा होता है? signed shift होता है. Next is this, it shifts the bits of OP1 left by OP2. This is signed shift. Again, this is signed left shift. Then the third one is here unsigned right shift given here, right? So three types of shift operators we are having here. Next, discussing the first one, signed right shift. This is signed right shift. This shift the bits towards the right. क्योंकि हमने डिस्कस किया, if the arrow is in this form, then it is right shift, and also preserve the sign bit. Also preserve the sign bit. ठीक है, क्योंकि हमने डिस्कस किया it is signed shifting, which is the leftmost bit. Now it says what कि ये sign bit को भी preserve करके रखता है. Sign bit कौन सी होती है? The leftmost bit. Now which is the leftmost bit? For example, if I am having a number like this, ठीक है, so this bit, this one, it is known as what? Leftmost bit, or we can say most significant bit. मोस्ट सिग्निफिकेंट बिट क्यों बोलते हैं? बिकॉज एज यू मूव फ्रॉम राइट टू लेफ्ट, सो द वेटेज ऑफ ईच एंड एवरी प्लेस वैल्यू विल गेट इंक्रीज. ठीक है, बिकॉज इट रिप्रेजेंट्स टू 2 की पावर 0, दिस वन, and it represents to what? 2 की power 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that means the weightage of this is greater as compared to this value. So that's why it is most significant bit, or you can say leftmost bit. तो ये जो leftmost bit होती है actually, this is what? Sign bit. It is what? It is a sign bit. ठीक है. Now for positive number we use the leftmost bit as 0. And for a negative number we use the sign bit as 1. Means if in a binary number the leftmost bit is given as 0, it means it is a positive number, and if 1 is given in the leftmost bit then it is a negative number. For example, जैसे यहाँ पर हमने लिखा है 0 1 1 0 1, something like this. So we will consider this number as positive. If I write like this 1 1 1 0 1, so leftmost bit is because of 1, so we will consider it as negative number, right? Now look at one example here. If value of x is 10, then find out x, right shift by 2. Okay, now what you have to do is, the value of x is 10, so represent it in binary form. Now you can use 8 bits to represent a decimal number in binary form, or you can represent 16, or you can represent 32 or 64 or 128, depends on you. या फिर depend करता है the type of data. That means if I am writing here int x is equal to 10, so it means x कितना लेता है? x कितना लेता है आपका bytes? 4 byte. 4 byte means how many bits? 32. That means you can represent this decimal 10 into 32 bits total, right? But if it is not given, so we can consider it as a type of byte, यानी कि हम इसको बाइट टाइप का डेटा कंसिडर कर सकते हैं. एंड रिमेंबर द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट, आई फॉरगॉट टू मेंशन इट अर्लियर, दैट बिटवाइज जो शिफ्टिंग होती है दैट कैन बी परफॉर्म्ड ओनली ऑन इंटीजर्स. इट कैन ओनली बी परफॉर्म्ड ऑन इंटीजर नंबर्स, लाइक इंट पर परफॉर्म कर सकते हो, बाइट पर कर सकते हो, शॉर्ट पे कर सकते हैं, लॉन्ग पे कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, ओनली ऑन इंटीजर टाइप्स, इंटीजर लेटर्स पे परफॉर्म कर सकते हैं. Fine. So here if the data type is not given, so we will consider it as byte type. Now as you know that byte takes 1 byte. 1 byte means how many bits? 8. क्योंकि 1 byte में कितने bits होते हैं? Total 8 bits are there. So we will represent each decimal number into 8 bits. We are assuming it. But if it is given in the question that the particular variable is of this type, data type is given, then you will represent according to it, right? So now come back again. So here nothing is given, so we are assuming it as of type byte. Now byte, because take total 1 byte, so 8 bits, so we will represent 10 into 8 bits. So here binary of 10 is 1010, so 4 digits already acquired, and here we will write 0000 because we know 10 is a positive number. Question में given है x की value 10, that means it is a positive 10 ना, so we will fill the entries by 0000, and this is for 10. Clear? First point. Next we will perform shifting. Now here it is given, you have to shift it right by 2. तो जब right में shift करना है actually में, so यहाँ से right shift करोगे तो it will be like this. 2 digits यहाँ से finish हो जाएंगी, यहाँ से आपकी क्या हो जाएंगी? 2 digits will get deleted. and आपको क्योंकि पता है it is a sign shifting. sign shifting का मतलब क्या होता है? that the vacant places जो होंगे actually, आप ऐसे समझ सकते हो, like if this is in 8 bits, right? Now if 2 digits will get deleted from the right side, so it will occupy this place, it will occupy this place, it will come to this side, it will come to this side, like this it will get shifted. So initial 2 places will be vacant, right? So here you can write it in this way. When the 2 digits will get deleted, so you can write 1 0 0 0 0 0, and now 2 places are vacant here because you have shifted to the right. तो क्योंकि हम जो shifting करते हैं वो करते हैं हम किसे? most significant bit से. sign shifting में, sign right shift में we always fill the vacant entries by most significant bit. Now as you know that most significant bit is what? 0 here, so we will fill the vacant places by 0. So this is your final answer here. Now this is a binary number, so answer you will get on Java output screen in the form of decimal number. So you will find out the decimal equivalent of this, so answer will be what? 2. So here is your final answer. I hope it's clear. Remember one thing, again I am repeating it, that you have to always fill the vacant places by the most significant bit. If the most significant bit का मतलब leftmost bit, if the leftmost bit is 0, so fill the vacant places by 0, otherwise by 1, right? Now here next example. Now value of x is given as 4. Now no data type is given, so again we will assume it as byte type. Now byte take how many? 8 bits. So we have to perform the right shift operator by 1. So what we will do now, we will write the binary of this 4. We will write the binary of this 4. So binary is what? In 8 digits, it will be this. You know it now? कि 100 होता है ना normally, 100. So 3 digits are there and 5 we will append 0. Zeros because of it is a positive number, positive 4, right? So write it zeros everywhere to make it 8 bits. 8 bits करने के बाद now next is you have to shift it right by 1 place. So इसको आपको shift करना है to the right by 1 place. तो यहाँ से एक digit जब आप remove करोगे, so here 1 place will be vacant on the left side. So fill it by most significant bit, that means the leftmost bit. अब सबसे left में क्या लिखा हुआ है? It is 0. So यहाँ पे filling किससे होगी? By 0. Okay. Now find out. Now this is your final answer here. This is in binary form. Find out the decimal equivalent of it. So it is equivalent to 2. It is equivalent to 2. And now I hope it's you remember it, that how to find out the decimal equivalent of any binary number. This one already we have discussed in around 4th or 5th video. I have made a separate video for this, how to find out the decimal number of a binary. ठीक है? So here you will get the answer as 2, positive 2. So answer is 2 here, right? One more example for the same topic again. If x is minus 4, then find x signed right shift to 1. Now here question is minus 4. If negative number is given, then what you will do? Now as you all know, in the 11th standard we have studied that negative numbers are represented in 2's complement form always. Negative numbers are represented in 2's complement form. Actually for positive numbers, 1's complement, 2's complement is same, right? Now how to find out the 2's complement of any negative number? Here we will discuss it. Right. So how to find out the 2's complement? Negative है तो आपको क्या करना है? सबसे पहली चीज़ ध्यान में जो रखनी है, that is what? Find out the 2's complement of any number. So we will write here for plus 4. Binary of plus 4 is this: 0 0 0 0 0 1 0 0. This is for 8 bits, है ना? आपने लिखा 4 का binary number, then find out the 1's complement of it. So 1's complement क्या होता है? Convert 0 into 1, 1 into 0. So look at here, 0 into 1, 0 into 1, 1 into 0. 0 into 1, 0 into 1. This is what 1's complement, you got it. Now to find out 2's complement, what we do, we add on 1 to the rightmost bit. Rightmost bit may we add on 1. Okay. So add on here 1. Now according to the binary addition rules, when you will add on 1, so 1 plus 1 is 0 with carry 1. Now leave this. See, leave this one. You need not to remember this. ठीक है, आपको लिखना है ये solution में, but now for just understanding, leave this. Now we have the question in this way कि we are having 1's complement and I want to calculate the 2's complement of that number. So 1 plus 1 is 0 with carry 1. 1 plus 1 is 0 with carry 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. Now no carry. Now all the other digits you will simply copy it. So this is what your 2's complement of minus 4. Right? Now after getting 2's complement, you will perform the shift operation. After getting 2's complement, you will perform shift operation. So as you know, you are having this question now. अब आपको क्वेश्चन, आपके पास सॉल्यूशन आपने ये निकाला है फॉर -4, क्योंकि आपको पता है कि नेगेटिव नंबर्स 2's कॉम्प्लीमेंट में ही रिप्रेजेंट होते हैं कंप्यूटर सिस्टम में, ठीक है. तो 2's कॉम्प्लीमेंट निकालने के बाद आप करोगे शिफ्टिंग. शिफ्टिंग करनी थी बाय 1 प्लेस टू द राइट. Okay, so here when you will copy this one same as it is, you will copy here, and when you will perform right shift, so this digit will get deleted from the right side, and here on the left side one place will be vacant. So one place जो vacant होगा that will get filled by the most significant bit, यानी कि by the leftmost bit. Now as you know, the leftmost bit is 1, so here you will fill it by 1. So you will get the answer in this way. Now this is your answer. ओके, चेक इट आउट. यहाँ पे देखो, लुक एट हियर. नाउ दिस इज़ व्हाट यू गॉट. ये मिला आपको आफ्टर शिफ्टिंग, बट दिस आंसर इज़ एक्चुअली इन 2's कॉम्प्लीमेंट. दिस आंसर इज़ इन 2's कॉम्प्लीमेंट फॉर्म, ठीक है. नाउ आई वॉन्ट टू फाइंड आउट द एक्चुअल आंसर ऑफ इट. अब मुझे इसका निकालना है एक्चुअल आंसर, ठीक है. आप देखिए, नाउ द सेम टर्म आई विल कॉपी हेयर. यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है ये. नाउ एज यू नो व्हाट, द मोस्ट सिग्निफिकेंट बिट, दैट मीन्स द लेफ्ट मोस्ट बिट, इफ इट इज़ 1, दैट मीन्स इट इज़ अ निगेटिव नंबर. सो आपको पता है कि अगर 1 आ रहा है लेफ्ट मोस्ट में, सो ये एक नेगेटिव नंबर है. एंड नेगेटिव नंबर क्योंकि 2's कॉम्प्लीमेंट में रिप्रेजेंट होते हैं, तो दैट्स वाई देयर इज़ अ नीड टू फाइंड आउट द 2's कॉम्प्लीमेंट ऑफ दिस अगेन. आपको पता है कि जो लेफ्ट मोस्ट बिट अगर 1 है, दैट मीन्स इट इज़ अ नेगेटिव नंबर, और नेगेटिव है तो आंसर किस में मिलेगा आपको, नेगेटिव में. एंड यू नीड टू फाइंड आउट द मैग्नीट्यूड. नाउ साइन आपको पता चल गया कि नेगेटिव है, लेकिन मैग्नीट्यूड अभी तक नहीं पता चला है. व्हाट इज़ दैट, व्हाट इज़ द फाइनल आंसर. सो आपको पता है क्योंकि नेगेटिव नंबर है तो 2's कॉम्प्लीमेंट में रिप्रेजेंट होगा. सो अगेन वी हैव टू फाइंड द 2's कॉम्प्लीमेंट फॉर दिस बाइनरी नंबर. सो हियर इट इज़. नाउ फाइंड द 2's कॉम्प्लीमेंट ऑफ अबव बाइनरी नंबर अगेन. नाउ कॉपी द सेम बाइनरी नंबर अगेन. कॉपी करोगे इस नंबर को, कॉपी किया. नाउ फाइंड आउट 1's कॉम्प्लीमेंट. अगेन द सेम थिंग. 1's कैसे निकालते हैं, बाय कन्वर्टिंग 1 इंटू ज़ीरोज़ एंड 0 इंटू 1. डन. नाउ add on 1 to the right side. When you will add on 1 to the right side, so here look at this, 1 plus 1 0 with carry 1, 1 0 1 with no carry, and same as it is you will copy rest of the bits because there are no bits to add on. Now this is your answer. Here you got it. Okay, so this binary number actually represents 2, 0 1 0. 2 को रिप्रेजेंट करता है ना. तो अगर ये 2 को रिप्रेजेंट करता है और आपको पता था क्योंकि लेफ्ट मोस्ट बिट क्या मिली थी आपको, रिमेंबर 2's कॉम्प्लीमेंट में 1. सो आंसर इज एक्चुअली व्हाट, -2. सो यू विल गेट द आंसर एज -2. क्लियर. So here is the answer. Done. Now in the next video we will discuss about unsigned right shift. So for here it is done. Now you can do one more question. Do one thing, take any example from the from net and try to practice some 2-3 questions more. ठीक है. एंड आफ्टर दैट इफ़ यू आर हैविंग एनी डाउट देन आई विल प्रोवाइड दी सॉल्यूशन फॉर दैट क्वेश्चन. यू कैन सेंड द क्वेश्चन ऑल्सो टू मी. सो you can try any other questions also, and in the books also some examples are given, so you can try those examples. Okay, so that was enough for today. Thank you.